The finest quality deluxe construction comes with a trusted name. India Builders.
Hi, I am Rangarajan. I am Executive Director of Finance in a multinational company in Chennai. This is my wife Nandini. We have selected India Builders to build this apartment of ours. Basically, I was looking around for almost 2.5 years in and around this area for a good builder, and what we found was almost 80% of the projects in this area was being done by India Builders, and they seem to have done quite a good projects all around Anna Nagar. So this was one of the first reason why we approached India Builders office and had a discussion with them to start up. Right from the time we approached India Builders till the time we were handed over this apartment, the whole experience was very pleasant. We found that the people were very caring, and the whole team was trying to deliver us this dream apartment of ours as if it was one of the most important tasks for them. Right from the time we approached India Builders for building this dream apartment of ours, the whole experience was extremely smooth, and we were quite thrilled with the way the response came from the builders office. They were extremely flexible for all the changes which we wanted to make in this dream house of ours, and they were forthcoming with their own ideas also. End of the day, we found that apart from selling this apartment, they were actually selling us peace of mind, which is very important for us. Throughout the time we went through this construction phase, we had observed that all the materials that were used by India Builders was extremely good quality. They were using one of the best material possible in the whole project, and that was very much satisfying. Probably one area of improvement we might have wanted to see was the speed of the project, and probably the way the coordination was happening between the site and the office, but that was totally overcome by some of the very good employees who were extremely forthcoming and trying to make sure that everything went off very well. So on an overall basis, our experience with this whole project was extremely good. We are very happy that we have had chosen India Builders in the first place, and probably given an opportunity, we will definitely come back to India Builders to build yet another house for us.